welcome back to another slow fashion video. How are you all doing? I hope the answer is well. It's been a while since I have done one of my style one item, a whole bunch of different ways videos, and because they are such a popular, hot commodity these days, and yet they are still super classic, I am styling the knee-high boot. The ones that I'll be styling today are these gorgeous Dear Francis boots. They have a really nice almond toe, which I think is very classic. They've got a nice chunky heel, which is super comfortable, and you can actually wear it walking around for long periods of time, which is also fantastic. So I'm gonna put some looks together, not as many as you're used to, probably because I am traveling with a very small part of my closet, so the looks are using a really minimal amount of pieces, but hopefully they give you some ideas for how to style your own knee-high boots at home, because chances are, like I think a lot of us have these from years ago, so now it's just a way of styling them for now. If you like this kind of video, which encourages creativity instead of consumption, hit subscribe below, and you can also find me on IG. I'll leave that on the screen for you, and you can also find me at my live Shop Your Closet studio events. The next one is coming up on December 4th. These are such a blast. We have 2 guests who join us and I shop their closets in real time. So we dive deeper into what elements of style are and how you can manipulate them for different body types and different style types as well. So it's kind of a neat way to see styling and using the principles that I talk about a lot on the channel, but in real time. And one of our guests is a wonderful Canadian designer who is offering 15% off when you buy a ticket. So I'll leave all of the details and information in the description box below, but for now, let's get styling these knee-high boots. have to jump in here and say that this is probably not something that I would realistically wear. However, I wanted to show this very trend-forward look using classic and secondhand pieces. These faux leather joggers are secondhand to me, and this is a very classic boot. However, pairing them and styling them this way does make it feel a little bit more trend-forward and current. If I was interested in this silhouette, I would probably wear it with a more slouchy turtleneck to create a little bit more of a color balance, and the simplicity and slouch of the turtleneck feels a lot more me. So that is what I have for you. I hope you liked today's video. Let me know which look was your favorite or how you like to style knee highs. I don't know why I keep lifting this up and showing it to you. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or if you learned something new, hit subscribe if you haven't already. I will be back with another slow fashion video, and don't forget we've got those tickets for that live event on December 4th. Thank you so much for watching. It always means so much, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Ciao!